Hello, everyone. I'm Alicia. Welcome to Mission Vocab. Today's advanced English vocabulary word is brooding. Brooding is an adjective that means dark, serious, and thoughtful, often because someone is silently worried, angry, or focused on painful feelings. For example, the actor gave the hero a brooding expression, making him seem troubled by secrets he was not ready to share with anyone. After the argument, Elena sat in brooding silence by the window, replaying every word and refusing to answer her phone. The film opened with brooding music and stormy skies, creating a tense mood before the first character even appeared on screen. Synonyms for brooding include gloomy, moody, pensive, dark, serious, and troubled. Brooding often describes a person, mood, look, or atmosphere that feels dark and serious. It suggests quiet emotional intensity, not simple sadness. That's brooding. One word, stronger English.